I'm Mark Allen Harmon, and today we are in the closet. Today, I'm going to introduce you to what I call color sorting. That's where we organize your closet by color and not by the normal sections of type of garment. So a lot of times you'll organize your closet with your pants here, your skirts here, your jackets here, your tops here. Instead of doing that, I combine all of those items into one color section. So all of your blues are in one place, all your greens are in one place, and all your other colors get put together by group. What this does is it gives you a new opportunity to look at old clothing in a fresh way for brand new looks for the season. So now we are color sorted. I'm gonna just show you a little bit about what I did. So we've got all the blue here. We've got white and gray, which you'll notice how small this section is. This is someone that does not have a lot of gray in her life. This is black. Then I've got earth tones, and you'll notice I put yellow down into the earth tones. This is a great example. This is a fantastic little Paul Smith blouse. And it's got every color in it. So what do you do? What do you do? You pick the color that's most prevalent. So I look at the yellow and then there's some brown. So I'm gonna just call this earth tone. It's all creative license, so put it where you think it makes the most sense color-wise. You know when you go into your closet and you have all those clothes and still feel like you have nothing to wear? Well, color sorting your closet will have you look at an old piece like a pink leather jacket, and you can go in all of the pinks and just find all of these different options that are gonna work underneath it. Sometimes you think, oh, this pink, it's only gonna work with black or white or something simple, or look at that even, right? So these are the things that fit in the same color way and the same color group, and you get all new ideas just by putting all the colors together. So sorting your clothes by color is a really great way to give you fresh eyes on what you already have in your closet for a fabulous spring.